Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you on how to make English learning media. This media will make your students enjoy in learning English. First, you can go to Wordwall website. This is a free website to creating game in instant way. Don't forget to register first using your Google account. Then, you can go to Activity. Here, there is my first game about vocabulary. Let's try to create new game. As you can see, here there are lots of game templates that you can easily use. It's all free. I think this is very helpful in making student worksheets. I give an example using the missing word game template. First, you can write your game's title here. Second, you have to write your sentence as a quiz. Then, you select some letters that you will remove. Click Add to remove it. Make some questions in this template. If it's finished, click Done. Your game will be processed. If you are a teacher, you can make this game as an assignment. You can set anything here. Also, you can edit the content of this game if you want to add or revise your game. Then, you can share your game to another and give a tag. Let's try my game. When finished completing the game, your student can write his name. And you can see who is fast and successful in doing the questions. Easy, isn't it? Let's try to make it. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me nice feedback.